Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for budgeting, an easy method to gain control of your finances. First, navigate to the company menu and select Planning and Budgeting, then Set up Budgets. This initial step is crucial for establishing your financial framework. You'll then choose the type of budget you want to create, such as a profit and loss budget, to begin defining your financial goals. Now, let's dive into setting up your budget. After selecting your budget type, you'll enter specific amounts for each income and expense account. You can choose to budget monthly or annually, depending on your preference. QuickBooks allows you to pre-fill data from previous years, which can be a helpful starting point for your current budget. Remember to review and adjust these figures to reflect your current financial situation and goals. Once your budget is set, monitoring is key to its success. QuickBooks offers powerful reporting tools, like the Budget versus Actual report, which helps you compare your planned spending against your real-world expenditures. This report highlights areas where you might be over or under budget, allowing you to make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget throughout the year. It's a living document that should adapt to your changing financial landscape. To take your budgeting further, consider using QuickBooks Class or job tracking features. This allows for even more granular control and insight into specific projects or departments. Remember, consistent review and updating of your budget are essential for maintaining financial health and achieving your goals. For more great tips and resources, including a link to grab some little trees black ice for your car, check the description below. We often share other deals there too, so don't miss out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.